Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to maths class. In the last class, we have completed exercise 6.3. In this session, we will start in the last class, we have completed exercise 6.2. And now, we will start 6.3. The last exercise of this chapter. Okay. So, in this first question, find A 35 minus 20, B 72 minus 90, C minus 15 minus of minus 18, D minus 20 minus 13, E 23 minus of minus 12, and the last one F minus 32 minus of minus 14. See here, these are the integers we have to solve. We have to find these values. Okay, here first the rules of integers: minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, 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 plus, and plus, plus, plus. We know that these four rules: minus, plus, minus, plus, minus will get minus, 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 plus, and plus, plus, plus. Two unlike sign always negative, sign always positive. Keep in mind. See here, with the help of these rules, we have to solve. We have to find this value. First one, A 35 minus of 20. Here 35 keep as it is, minus bracket means into, minus of plus here, plus sign. If there is nothing here, so we have to consider this as a positive integer. So plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. What is that? Minus. What we are getting? Minus 20. So here one is positive, one is negative, one is positive and another one is negative. So we have to subtract. 35 minus 20 is 15. Here the greater number in these two integer is 35. So 35 is positive. So here we have to take this 15 as positive integer. Understood? Once again I will explain. See here, we have to remember these four rules. First, minus, negative, positive, always negative. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, 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 plus, and plus, plus, plus. Okay, we have to keep in mind two unlike signs. One is positive, one is negative, one is positive. Two unlike signs, always negative. Here also two unlike signs, always negative. Here two like signs means similar. See here, negative, negative, both two like signs, always positive. Keep in mind. Okay. So here one is positive, one is negative. So we have to subtract. 35 minus 20 is 15. So here 35 is greater number. In front of 35 there is a positive sign. So we have to take 15 as a positive integer. Understood? Next, B 72 minus 90. So here, yes, same procedure, same step. 72 minus plus minus 90. Okay, one is positive, one is negative. We have to subtract. 90 minus 70. 90 minus 72. Here 8, here 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So what we are getting here? 18. But here the greater number is 35. So we took positive integer. But in this, the greater number is 90. In front of 90, there is a negative sign. That means the 90 is negative integer. So we have to take 8 answer also in negative, because we have to keep greater number sign. We have to keep greater number sign. Here 90 is number, in front of 90 there is a negative, means 90 is a negative integer. So we have to take 18 also in negative, because here 72 is compared to this, the small 90 is greater than 72. So 9 minus 90 is answer. Understood? Next, C part. See here there are three negative signs. First, remove bracket. Minus 15 keep as it is. Here there are two signs. Here there is a sign, so we kept as it is. Here there are two signs. So this nothing but bracket is nothing but multiplication. Minus minus. Here minus into minus is plus. So take this as a plus 18 because there are two negative signs. So we have to take minus minus plus 18. Here one is negative and another one is positive. One is negative, another one is positive. So what we are getting here? Negative. We have to subtract. 18 minus 15 is 3. And here, which is greater number in these two numbers? 18 is greater or 15 is greater? Yes, 18 is greater. So 18 is positive integer. So we have to take plus 3. Plus 3 or don't write. Keep as it is. Okay. Hope you understood? Yes. Take this the homework. Okay. Remove bracket. Minus minus. Here there are two minus, so we have to add. Add and write greater number value in this two. Here also same 23 minus minus plus 23 plus 12. Yes, the answer is in positive because here minus minus plus and 23 also plus and 12 also plus last rule, fourth rule into plus is plus. Next, this is also similar to this one. C and F are same, so we have to do homework, write it and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, hope you understood this one. You have to remember these four rules. See here, negative, positive. In addition and multiplication, same. Minus plus minus, plus minus minus, minus minus, plus. Two like signs always positive and two unlike signs always negative. Keep in mind. Okay. Minus plus minus, plus minus minus, and minus minus plus. Understood? Yes. We'll move to next question. Second question. Fill in the blanks with sign greater than, less than or equal. Sign. Okay, here the fill-ups are given. We have to fill with appropriate sign. Minus 3 plus of minus 6 dash minus 3 minus of minus 6. First we'll solve this one. See here, yeah, we have to solve these two part, right side, left side part and right side part. This solution later we'll see which is greater. Okay, so here, yes, first part, this is minus 3 plus into minus. We'll write here plus minus minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, and plus. So here, yes, what is the rules? Why we are keeping 3 as it is? Because in front of 3 there is nothing. So we have to keep minus 3 as it is. Here there is the two signs. One is negative, one is positive. So we have to multiply because the bracket is multiplication. We have to multiply plus minus. So keep minus 6. So here there are two minus, two negative signs. Third rule, minus plus. We have to add. 6 plus 3 is 9. But in this, which is greater number? 6 is greater. So in front of 6 there is a minus sign. So minus 9. Next, dash keep as it is because we have to put appropriate sign here. Next here, minus 3 keep as it is. Minus plus 6. One is positive, one is negative. One is positive, one is negative. What we have to do? We have to subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. Which is greater number in these two? 6 is greater, so plus 3. Here, yeah, we got the answer. We got here minus 9 and plus 3. In this, which is greater? Which side I have to put here? Okay, whether minus 9 is greater or 3 is greater? Yes, 3 is greater than minus 9 because the digits are compared to these two digits are greater, but here there is a negative sign. Negative always less compared to positive numbers. So, plus 3 is greater than minus 9. So, this sign we have to substitute in this blank. Understood? Once again I will explain. What we have to do first, we have to solve left hand side part and right hand side part. See here with the help of that 4 rules. Okay. Minus 3 keep as it is, plus into minus bracket means multiplication, plus into minus 6. Okay. Then minus plus 6 plus 3 is 9. But here don't get confused, dear students. Here there is 2 minus, so we are adding, and 6 plus 3 is 9. But here in this two number, which is greater number? Yes, 6 is greater number. So in front of 6 there is a minus sign. So we have to put minus here. Understood? So next part, right hand side, minus 3 keep as it is, minus. See the rules? Third rule, minus plus. Here one is plus, one is minus. So we have to again see that rules. One is plus, one is minus. We have to subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. But here, which is greater digit, which is greater number? 6 is greater. So in front of 6, there is a positive sign. So we have to write positive. Compare these two now. Yes. In digit, 9 is greater. But in front of 9, there is a negative sign. So negative sign is always less than compared to positive digits. So plus 3 is greater. Understood? Next. Hope you understood this one. Second question. Minus 21 minus of minus 10 dash minus 31 plus of minus 11. So this is second B part. Here, see a same. We have to solve first LHS side, RHS side, and then we have to substitute sign in this blank. First, remove bracket. Minus 21 keep as it is. Yes, there are two negative signs. Minus plus. So here plus 10. Yes, one is positive integer, one is negative integer. So we have to subtract. 21 minus 10 is 11. But in this two digit, which is greater, 21 is greater. In front of 21, there is a negative sign, minus. So take minus. Dash keep as it is. Next, coming to this part, minus 31 keep as it is, plus minus 11. So here there are two. Here one is negative, so we have subtracted. Here two integers also negative. So like signs. 2 minus we have to add. Minus plus. 31 plus 1 is 40. 11 is 41. Okay, 42. 31 plus 11. Why we are adding here? Yes, there are two negative signs. Here, see here. There are two negative signs. We'll get positive. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. But in these two, 31 is greater. In front of 31, minus sign. So take this minus. Now, two numbers, LH is also in negative, RH is also in negative. But in this, yeah, take this number line. Suppose, we'll explain. See here, more numbers means positive numbers, and here less number means negative numbers. So here all positive integers, this is the center 0, and all negative numbers. So number line decreases. Come here. LHS to, sorry, RHS to LHS, the number line decreases. Here, for example, here minus 11. Suppose, and here minus 42. So which number is, which integers comes first? Which integers comes first? Yes, minus 11 comes first. Means compare these two, which is greater number? Minus 11 is greater because the number line decreases from right to left. Decreasing order, right to left. The number line is decreasing order. In number line, on the number line, minus 11 come first. So in these two, which is greater number? Yes, obviously minus 11 is greater. In negative sign, smallest number is greater compared to this number. Okay, don't go through this digit because here with the digit there are negative signs. So the smallest number is in negative is a greater compared to minus 42. See here. So like this, we have to put this sign here. Understood? Once again I will explain. Remove bracket and with the help of that rule we have to solve this. So here we get minus 11 and here we are getting minus 42. In these two number, which is greater number? Okay. By observing this, you will put like this. Minus 42 is greater. By observing these digits. No. You are wrong. Because in negative sign, smallest number is a greater. Okay. Because see this number line? Yes. Decreasing order from right to left. Right to left, decreasing order because here all positive integers and 0, then all negative integers. In negative integers, 11 comes first and then minus 42. So this is greater than minus 42. Okay, understood? 11 is minus 11 is greater than minus 42. So this is your answer. Hope you understood this one. See, 45 minus 11 dash 57 plus of minus 4. D minus 25 minus of minus 42 dash minus 42 minus of minus 25. So take these two as a equal. Okay, first write 42 as it is. Compare this minus plus 42. Sorry, 45 plus 11 is 56. So here the answer is 56. Here plus minus 57 minus 4 is 53. So 53 is greater or 56 is greater? 56 is greater. So you have to write this side. Okay. Next here minus 25 keep as it is. Minus plus. Minus 25 plus 42. Here also minus 42 plus 25. Substitute, solve and see which sign is suitable for this answer. Okay. So this is all about second question. Now third question. Fill in the blanks. So also fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A minus 8 plus dash is equals to 0. B 13 plus dash is equals to 0. C 12 plus of minus 12 is equals to dash. D minus 4 plus dash is equals to minus 12. E dash minus 15 is equals to minus 10. See here, in previous class I explained if integer is in negative integer is in left side, if we will take this negative to the RHS side, it becomes positive. So with the help of this we have to solve. See here, a minus 8 plus dash is equals to 0. So here, what digit if we'll take, so we will get 0. So here, first what we have to take this LHS part to the RHS side. So here, keep dash as it is because we don't know the value of x. Suppose the blank is x. Okay, so keep x as it is. Take 0. Take this minus negative integer to the RHS side. It becomes positive integer, that is plus 8. Then x is equals to 0 plus 8 is 8. If we will add anything in 0, we will get the same answer. So 0 plus 8 is 8. So what is the value of x here? 8. So in front of x, in place of x, we have to substitute 8 value. So minus 8 here. We will write here plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 get cancelled. The answer is 0. So the value of this blank is 8. Once again I will explain. So blank keep as x. So keep x as it is. Take this LHS to the RHS side. It become minus 8 goes, it become plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. So what is the value of x? 8. So in front of remove x and keep the value of x. Understood? Second B. See here. 13 plus dash is equals to 0. We don't know dash value. So keep dash as x is equals to 0. Keep x as it is because we want to know the value of x. So take this 13 to the, keep 0 as it is, 13 to the RHS side, it becomes minus 13. So x 0 minus 13 is minus 13. So what is the value of x here? Yes, we have to, if we have to substitute minus 13 in this, plus minus minus 13 minus 13 0. 13 minus 13 is 0. Next same as it is, plus minus, plus or minus minus, plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. The answer is 0. With the help of like this, we have to solve. Next here, yes, minus 4. See here, we will solve this one. D part. See here, D minus 4 plus dash is equals to minus 12. We don't know the value of x here. So keep x as it is. Minus 12 also as it is. Take this minus 4 to the RHS side, it become plus 4. So x is equals to 1 is plus, 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So we have to subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8. But in this two integer, the 12 is negative. So we have to take big greater number sign. So minus 6. So what is the value of x here? What is the blank here? Minus 8. So minus 4 minus 8. If we will add these two, we will get minus 12 here. Okay. Next here same. Take this x e part. Take this x minus 15 is equals to minus 10. Is equals to minus 10. Keep x as it is. Minus 10 also as it is. Take this minus 15 to the RHS side. It become plus 15. One is positive, one is negative. So we have to subtract. 15 minus 10 is 5. But in this two number, which is greater number, 15 is greater number. So in front of 15, there is a positive sign. So plus 5. So x is equals to plus 5. One is positive, one is negative. 15 minus 5 is 10. 15 is greater number. In front of 15, there is a minus sign. So the answer is minus 2. Okay. If you are not getting to the right direct, you have to solve like this. You have to keep blank as a x. Okay, we have to find the x value and keep the value of x in the blank. Okay, understood? Next, the last question of this exercise and the last exercise of this chapter. Fourth one. Find a minus 7 minus 8 minus 25. In this, they have given three integers, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 25. B minus 30 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. C minus 7 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 9. D 50 minus of minus 40 minus of minus 2. Here, yes, what we have to do? We have to find this value. First, remove brackets. Okay, and keep these rules in mind. Minus plus minus plus minus 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 plus and plus plus plus. Keep in mind. Okay, first remove brackets. Minus 7 keep as it is. Minus 7 keep as it is. Here, yes, minus 8, so minus 8 also as it is. Now, in this, there are two negative signs. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is, yes, plus 25. Understood? See here, this is single, minus 7. So we kept minus 7. Minus 8 also single, minus 8. Here there are two negative signs at a time. So this is bracket nothing but multiplication. Minus minus plus. So plus 25. Now there are two negative and one positive. First we solve one by one. First we will solve these two, then we will add that. Minus minus, yes, minus minus plus. So we have to add. 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, but in these two, there are two same integers, but then also we will see the greater digit, that is 8. So in front of 8 there is a minus sign, minus. So next we take this also, minus plus 20. So now, yes, one is positive, one is negative. So there are two unlike signs. So we have to subtract. 25 minus 15 is 10. Yeah. Which is greater number? 15 is greater, 25 is greater. 25 is greater number. In front of 25 there is a positive sign. So we have to take 10 also positive. So this is your answer. Once again I will explain. See here, there are three integers in this question. In this A part there are three integers. First we will solve one by one. We have to take these two, then we have to add. Otherwise take these two, then you have to subtract with this. Otherwise take these two, then answer subtract with minus 8. Okay, your wish, depend on you. But I am taking these two as a first. Minus minus plus 8 plus 7 is 15. But in this greater number is 8. So in front of 8 there is a minus. So minus 15. Plus 25 keep as it is. One is positive, one is negative. We have to subtract. 25 minus 15 is 10. But in these two number digit, which is greater digit? Yes, 25 is greater number. So we have to take greater digit sign. So that is positive. Understood? Next. Take B and D homework. B and D homework will explain. C. Minus 7 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 9. Understood? Yes. Take B and D homework, write it and send it to my WhatsApp number. Here, yes, remove brackets. Minus 7 plus minus minus 8 plus minus minus 9. So all integers are negative. So minus 7 is also negative integer, minus 8 is also negative integer, minus 9 is also negative integers. So first we will take these two. Yeah. Minus minus plus 8 plus 7 is 15. Greater number is my 8, so minus 15. Minus 90 keep as it is. Yes, there are two minus. Yes, minus minus plus 90 plus 15 is 105. In these two integers, 90 is greater, so minus 105. Understood? Once again, I will explain what we have to do here. In this question, we have to remove brackets and we have to see the sign, integers. Minus minus plus. See here, one is minus, another one is plus, so the answer is minus. One is plus, one is minus, the answer is minus. Two like signs always positive. This is also positive. So with the help of these rules, we have to solve this. Okay, hope you understood. Yeah, for this we have completed exercise 6.3 and the chapter 6th, that is integers. If you have any doubt, please contact me and write your homework, send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.